TK. Oh, rest in peace, my nigga TK. He ain't goddamn me little stupid, nigga. Shit, nigga. Shit was meant to be. Guess what? I'ma say hella be and hella be. Rest in peace and rest, nigga. Rest in peace, now peace and rest. Fuck you, man. I'ma say get ready for that freestyle, nigga. My moon side, food of Islam, that's my moon side to my moon side. Hey, I'm hungry, I wanna eat a moon pie. Man, every time I rap, I make the moon try. Feeling like the moon guy to the moon side. I'm just out of jail. I was building a motherfucking blueprint, shit, nigga, fuck with me right here. Now I'm on my project, to the next goal, to my bigger goal, and my goals after goals, fuck with me right here. I'm gonna come for sure. Let me see. Now what the fuck is that? Let's check this shit right here. Now I'm charging up these niggas. But you charge, get it, get some him. Charge the girl up. Charge that nigga up. Charge the world up, so the world can go ahead and charge, get some Henny, and charge the fools up fucking with them. You too. Do it too, just talking, nigga. Ringtone rap check, nigga, shit, nigga, fuck with me, I'm back, nigga, shit, that's how I gotta live on the phone now. Now I'm for some shit down, you wanna put on. Look, that ain't my purse curse, I still got the purse where you find the shit, where you find word, find most of the discovery. Let me tell you another thing, nigga, this bullshit you had coming. If I ain't really give a fuck, I wanna use the motherfucking talk to walk. But tired. On the moon side. Every time I get my motherfucking 2 goals, man. Then I put the fangs in. But I'm still looking for some change, man. I would never snatch Flavor, you know what time it is. On the set, nigga. On the crib, nigga. Fucking mean, nigga. Throw the seed, chunk of D's, and I trip. Nigga, Taco Bell, I put the shoes on my whip, walking like the crook. And I shine like the blues. Little gang. Ringtone rap check, nigga. In the word, on the set. You so. Hey, look, man. To you like this. How y'all feel now? How y'all feel? Man, same way. You need that microphone, chop before it's gonna school, people. The right way, not by force. Hey, however you want to put it, I tell you what, I'm shooting an audition with Holly Berry to knock that off. She's a good body rock, body pop, her body hot. Her body shakes, she body walks, she body talk. Man, she's a credible piece of art. And how Stella got a fucking, if Stella got a groove back, what the fuck? Well, shit, I know goddamn well she ain't no widow in this bed, but she like the motherfucking have a meds. Would you like to do all this shit, man? You know what I'm saying? So goddamn, when they got these, I be on some more shit. Oh, free my brother, Paradise, R.I.P. Trill Entertainment, and Dear Ruckers, you checking motherfuckers, Archie Charge, music. Hey, I love, hey, and get ready for my album, get it out the stores, I don't even know I'm gonna promote that motherfucker, shit.
I didn't surprise nobody's life today.
Because, homie, going in the next generation, 2020, shit, I was 7 in the 20 guys, and more 20 in the 2020s. You see what the fuck I'm saying?